Hey guys, got in a furniture mover. This thing's supposed to hold up to 2,200 pounds. We'll get it opened up and it looks like, get it assembled, and then we're gonna try it out. I don't have anything 2,200 pounds and I'm not gonna be moving the furniture, but I do have big boxes, one in particular. Let's get it put together and try it out. That's already put together, that's cool. And it's heavy duty metal, nice casters. Hardware here, instruction book, and get it opened up. There we go. That's some tough zip ties for a dull knife, maybe both. Some assembly required, it looks like. There we go, got instructions there. Total car installation steps. I thought it was called a furniture mover or a furniture dolly. Something. Okay, sounds simple enough. Famous last words. It might help a little when you lean over this way and see which way that screw's coming through, and you'll know which way to move it up or down or sideways. Okay, when you got this up, you'll notice there are bolt holes through here coming up from the bottom. You're gonna put those bolts this way to connect that. You'll want these holes facing out so you can mount these on here in a moment. That on there, put your long bolts through here. These here, don't get them mixed up with the ones with the wing nut on it. Those are the ones with the wing nuts is gonna go right here, like this. We'll just do those real quick. Like that. Okay, after we get those nuts and bolts on there on both ends, I just stuck that one on there, just kind of show you temporary. I mean, I'm gonna drop mine down so I can set something flat across, because the box I have, as you saw, is much too big to have these little things stopping, but it'll keep stuff from sliding is the purpose of those. Now, you'll just want to flip it over, then take your short bolts and drop them in these holes right here. And that's pretty much it. We'll get the other input on there. Yeah, we'll get this side tightened up. These drop in here just like down on that end. And that is all there is to it. Okay, if you'll notice, it's got some little things sticking out here. These are brakes. All you gotta do is push it down like that, and those wheels are locked. It's great for putting something on here, when, especially if you're by yourself. It'll keep it from rolling as bad. Anyway, good brakes. And if you're curious, this thing is 31 inches long and 17 inches wide. The wheels look like they're 2.5-inch wheels. So, nice little dolly here. Very solid. We're gonna load that box on and see how well it rolls. That's a heavy box. There you go. Now you can move it around easy. So I tell you what, if you would like to get you a furniture mover like this one, or in my case, a big box mover, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.